Okay, so here's what I got. I got the classic 50s, 1950s Johnson Evinrude lower unit. I'm working on replacing the seals on it. This is more of a pain in the ass than I ever expected it would be, but when I kind of went into it blind, I guess I'm learning as I go. I cannot get that bushing out. I go to YouTube and it looks like nobody can get that bushing out without screwing it up. So I don't want to screw it up because I didn't buy one. I don't want to buy one. So on YouTube, looks like one guy talks about using this bushing removal tool. Well, I don't have that tool. So 1/4 inch rod. I got a piece of 1/4 inch rod. I got various lengths of crap laying around. 1/4 inch is exactly what that is. That won't work. That bushing has got the O-ring under it, and then under that is the aluminum, or cast aluminum, or pot metal, whatever it is. It appears that that pot metal, if you look down in there, you can see that little baby hole. That also appears to be a 1/4 inch. So if a guy had a 5/16 rod, he could drill that hole out a little bit on that aluminum, run a 5/16 rod up there, and tap that bushing out. And that's what I'm going to try to do, because 1/4 inch on both of those ain't working. So I got a 5/16 bolt I cut the head off of. Yeah, 5/16 should be like 0.3125. That bolt actually, the diameter actually measures like 0.30 something. So anyhow, that's what I'm gonna try to do. And since I don't have a long ass 5/16 drill bit, what I got going here, wherever I put it, is here. It is. I took a 5/16 drill bit, I took it to the bench grinder, and I knocked 6 sides on it roughly. I crammed it down in a 9/32 socket. So it looks like it's got a hex head on this side, so I cram that down in a socket, electrical tape the crap out of it just so it don't fall off as I'm trying to put it down in there. Stuck a 1/4 inch drive extension. I'm gonna put the 1/4 inch adapter into my drill, and then hopefully I'll have kind of a long ass 5/16 drill bit. So I'm gonna drill through just the aluminum. When I get through the aluminum, I'm gonna stop. Hopefully that'll work.